Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thanks for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to look at our friend Sushiswap, rank 92, and you can see we've got a market cap of 1.3 billion over there with a 24-hour trading volume of 226 million. Looking at some of our data, we got 30-day, we're still up 37% over the 2 weeks and the 7 days. We're looking pretty red, so let's perhaps jump into the charts and check that out. Before we do hop into the Discord if you want. You can find that in the description below. Subscribe, like, and comment below. So Sushiswap, we made a video on this a few days ago when we were in our key accumulation zone back early December, and it did prove to be a very, very good accumulation range. If you bought then, you'd still be in profit. And what really happened is we had a massive swing to the upside, and now we've had our retracement. We've come back down to that 0.618 Fibonacci zone, which is usually a very good area of support, but we flipped all of this back into resistance. So we kind of need to see a bit more volume. We are under the 20-day moving average on the daily time frame, and we need to come up and retest that 7.3 level again. Pardon me, at the 7.8 level again, and also on this diagonal support over here we need to test that 9.8 level again before we come back up to 11.6 up there, because that's proving to be a real big resistance zone. If we hop into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are getting that consolidation now. We finally put that higher low in. These highs are coming down, just put a higher high in very gradually, but it's still not looking super bullish at the moment. It's kind of looking a bit like an ascending triangle, I suppose, on this particular time frame, which isn't awful. I mean, it's technically a bullish pattern. If we do break to the upside, then we should come back up to $7.08 quite soon. But if we do fall below and become short, then we've got these lower wicks over here around the $5 mark again, and it will be very violent if we do lose our support level again. I don't think we'll actually come that low. I think we'll probably end up coming to around the $6 mark if we do see any more kind of capitulation wicks and some big movement to the downside, but I don't think it's going to be majorly terrifying, because theoretically, looking at these points of data, we've got support all along here. We can still come back down to this $4 zone. That is effectively a support level right there, which we could come down to, but I just don't think it's going to happen yet, or if at all. $5.20 is also another really key area. So if we hop into the 2-hour time frame, we can see just the very similar things that we're talking about, the higher lows, continuously high lows, but these highs are actually dipping a little bit, as you can see on this time frame here. So I'll move that down a little bit, and that's the pattern that we're seeing at the moment. If we go into the 30-minute time frame, although we don't really use this too often, it's a real strong double bottom over there, which does look quite nice, so we can break out of that maybe anytime soon. And if we do break out of that, it gives us a price target of take the width of the double bottom, or the depth. Now that brings us up to about 720. But yeah, that's just on the 30-minute time frame. So we prefer to use our 4-hour time frame where we can really see these swings and highs. So we pull out the Fibonacci extension on this particular level, guys, and yeah, we can see that's a big resistance. That's a resistance there. $8.50 resistance, but the bullish targets, if we can get this big euphoria, if we can consolidate, trade sideways for enough time, we could probably be seeing $11 soon again, $12 and even $13. My bullish target for this project is all the way up to $16, and of course this one is probably a bit unrealistic, so I might even remove that, but $16 I think is very, very potential and likely, because we've already seen these numbers, $16, and then if we do come back up to 22, price discovery, perhaps we see $25, and that's the way I see it over there. Sorry about that guy in the background, construction worker, but yeah, the volume is dipping off. That's what I can notice on the 4-hour time frame, and we're just retesting that 20-day moving average at the moment. So that's about it for Filecoin. Sushi, guys. It's still looking fairly bearish, but it's came back down from this swing, so it's expected. And what we kind of expect or would like to happen now is we take this upside, we come back down, maybe retest over here, in a couple of weeks, still in January, before moving back to the upside, something like that. You see, got the retracement, swing high, swing low, swing high over at $9.04, and then we make our way over to the $11.2 mark and beyond. So that was it really. If you liked the video, do smash subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment down below. If you want to become a patron, I'd absolutely be very grateful. Mud, peace out, Kara, thank you very much. They do have their ebooks. As you can see, I've written an ebook, and if you would like to have this, all you need to do is become a patron for the price of a coffee, and I guarantee you'll love it. So thanks very much guys, subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.